Welcome to Cedarcroft. My name is Barbara and this is my channel. Today we are going to make slow cooker granola. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is use some type of cooking oil spray and spray our slow cooker. This will help prevent burning and sticking. The first 4 ingredients in this recipe: 4 cups of rolled oats. We're going to just put that in here. 2 cups of flaked coconut. 2 cups of chopped nuts. I have 2 different kinds of nuts here. I have 1 cup of chopped almonds and 1 cup of chopped pecans. I think that will taste really, really nice in there. 1 cup of a dried fruit. This is optional, but I do like the way the dried fruit just brings the granola together. You can use any kind of dried fruit. I happen to have raisins, so that's what I'm using. Dried cranberries would be really good in this as well. What you're going to do is melt 1/2 cup of a good coconut oil, and you're going to melt that in a microwave safe glass. You're going to pour that in. And then on top of that, you are going to pour 1/2 cup of honey . The next thing we're going to do is put a little pinch of salt. And then we're going to give this a good stir. So I'm going to give this a good stir with a nice sturdy wooden spoon. Give this a nice good stir. Mix everything around. There we go. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. This is going to be so delicious. I love granola with yogurt. Oh, it's just so yummy. I really like putting a little bit of fresh fruit on my yogurt and then topping it with a little bit of this granola. How tasty. Okay. Put your slow cooker lid on sideways. Do you see that? I'm leaving about a 2-inch gap and a little bit on this side as well. You do not want to steam this. You want to just cook it on high for the first 30 to 45 minutes and then come back and give it a stir. We are going to continue cooking this for 2 to 3 hours, depending on your slow cooker. We are going to bring this to a nice golden brown. And then once it comes to a golden brown, we'll come back and I'll show you what we do next. granola on top of yogurt is one of my favorite treats. It's great for breakfast, and I love it as a dessert too. So here's the granola. It's crunchy. The nuts are amazing. The perfect topping for your parfait. Give it a try. Super easy, super fast. Thank you for watching, and thank you for joining me on this adventure as I go back to Cedarcroft. And let me know if you try this. Let me know if you try it, and let me know if you like it.